Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shah Faisal Shaikh and today I am bringing you a game-changing tutorial for anyone looking to automate their workflows, save money and take control of their data. We are diving into n8n, an open source alternative to Zapier and Make. I will show you step by step how to self-host it on a super affordable Hostinger VPS. If you want unlimited automation and the power to build your own AI workflows, this is for you. So what is n8n? So n8n is an open source automation tool that lets you connect hundreds of apps, Gmail, Notion, Airtable, even AI models like ChatGPT. Unlike Zapier, you can self-host n8n, which means unlimited workflows at a fraction of the cost, plus full control over your data and privacy. It is perfect for creators, marketers, and developers and businesses. Zapier can cost you hundreds of dollars per year just for a few workflows, but with n8n self-hosting, you pay only for your VPS, that is about 5,000 per year. But with n8n self-hosted, you pay only for your VPS, that is about 5,000 rupees a year on Hostinger with no workflow limits. Even if you take a subscription of n8n, they will charge you 20 euro per month and it is still a lot, and you will only have 2.5k workflow execution and 5 active workflows. So now we will host our own n8n with Hostinger VPS. So just go to hostinger.com and create your ID. After creating your ID, go to VPS and click on setup. Just check the link in the description for discounts for the Hostinger. Now moving on further, I am in India, so I will select my location as India. So I will get the best latency and select application and click on n8n and click on select and click on here next and give whatever password you want to give. So I am giving my own password. And after putting your password, click on next. And I am going to take a plan. Whatever plan you want to choose, you can take one. So I will just go for, just say I will go for this plan. Whatever you can choose for 12 months or 24 months. I am just taking 1 month plan. And choose your payment method from here and click on choose payment method. And you will be prompted to payment gateway. So now I am going to finish my payment. So put your UPI ID or whatever payment you have chosen. So I am going to put my UPI ID and I will complete my payment. Click on continue payment. It will redirect it to your payment gateway. So now my payment has been done. It will be redirected to your home page. And now just click on start now and click on continue. Go to application, press n8n, select and click on continue. Create your root password. And this is my server's host name. I will continue and click on finish. So this process will take, it is saying, up to 5 minutes. So we will wait for some time. It takes a lot of effort to make this video, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you use my Hostinger link below, you will get a discount and I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So it helps support the channel and lets me keep making high value tutorials like this. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like the video and also comment if you have any questions regarding anything I have shown in the video. And whatever future video you want me to make, you can just comment and I will create that video for you. So now our VPS has been created and this is my VPS link. So I can access my VPN from this link. Just click on manage VPS and we will go to the dashboard directly. Just click whatever you want to just save. Just click on here and this is the VPS we have created. Now click on manage apps and create your ID and password. So this is my Gmail ID and my name, and I am going to create a password for me. And click on next. So now we will just fill up these things. So I will use it for education, and whatever things you want to put, just put it yours. So I will type it content creator who will be automation mainly before myself. Uh, YouTube and get started. So just click OK. So now you have hosted n8n on your own server by VPS on Hostinger. Just click on start from scratch and you can create anything like this. And with this you can now have unlimited workflow executions. You don't have to pay lots of money to the n8n or any other platform like Make or Zapier. So what are the things you can do on n8n? So you can auto add YouTube comments to Notion, you can send automated emails from Google Sheets, or you can build AI powered chatbots like summarize emails or generate social posts. You can also create a system that can post your Instagram reels or Instagram post on Instagram or TikTok or on YouTube. You can also schedule your YouTube videos. You can do lots of things with this, and it is very powerful. So again, if you use my Hostinger link below, you will get a discount and I will earn a small commission at no cost to you, and it helps support and let me keep making some high value tutorial like this. So automate your life with n8n and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And for more AI and automation tutorials, and let me know in the comments what workflow you want to see next. All links and resources are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.